Hello, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Hope you all are fit and healthy at your home. I'm Sandhya Patel, your class 5th mathematics teacher from St. Mary High School. In our previous class, we have completed till page number 39, and today we are going to see the page number 40, that is what is given on the page number 40. Let's read. How many squares in me? Now we have to guess that how many squares are then that is shown in the this two diagram. Okay, let's read. What is the area of this triangle? The girl is saying that what is the area of this triangle? Then the boy said the triangle is half the rectangle of area 2 square centimeter. So its area is blank square centimeter. Now this girl is asking, he is wondering that what is the area of this triangle. So the boy says that the triangle is half. It is the half of the rectangle and the area of the rectangle is 2 square centimeter. So what will be the area of the square? So what will be the area of the, we know that the area of rectangle is 2 square centimeter, right? 2 square centimeter. While the triangle is half of the rectangle. So what we will do? We will divide 2 by 2. Why 2 by 2? Because 2 is the area of the rectangle and the triangle is half of the rectangle. That is why we are going to divide 2 by 2. So what will come? Answer will be 1. So the area of the triangle will be 1 square centimeter. So here you will write 1 square centimeter. So I hope this is clear. Now let's read ahead this one. Is this shape half of the big rectangle? The girl is asking that the shape that is shown in this picture, is it half of this whole rectangle? Is it half? So the boy say, so its area is blank centimeter. So let's see. Is the shape shown in this big rectangle is half of the rectangle? Yes, you can easily observe that it is the half of the rectangle. So let's first find the area of the whole rectangle. What will be the area of the rectangle? Let's count the square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The area of the rectangle is 8 centimeter. So what will be the area of this shape? It is half, right? It is the half of rectangle. So what we will do? We will divide 8 by 2. So if I divide 8 by 2, what will be the answer? Answer will be 4. So here it will come 4 square centimeter. Let's read ahead. Write the area in square centimeter of the shapes below. Now see, in this picture you can see that various shapes are been given. Let's see, first is A, that is rectangle, then B, then C, then D, then E and F. Total 6 shapes are being shown. Now what you have to do? You have to find the area of each of the shape. So let's start with A. Now which shape is this? This is a triangle. Now see, when you find the area of a triangle, there is a formula for finding the area of the triangle. What is that? It is area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. 1 by 2 base into height. So this is the formula for finding the area of the triangle. So let's use this formula to find the area of the triangle A. So let's count the base. How many square are there? So this is the base. How many square? 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3. Let me write the formula 1 by 2 into 3. What is the height? This is the height, right? So how many squares are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are total 4 square. So we will write 1 by 2 into 3 into 4. 1 by 2, 3 is the base, 4 is the height. Let's solve it. We know 3 4s are 12. So we will write 1 by 2 into 12. If I divide 12 with 2, what will come? It will come 6. Because we know 2 6 are 12. So what remains? 6. So the area of this triangle is 6 centimeter square, or you can write 6 square centimeter. I hope this thing is clear. Now let's see the next shape. That's this shape number B. It is a square. Which shape is this? It is a square. Now let's find the area of this square. First we will count the complete square, then we will count half fill square, and then we will count quarter square, 1/4 fill square. So let's count. You have to assume, see, there are 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 3. If you assume that there is a line like this, see what you have to assume? You have to assume that there is one line this way. There are total this 3 lines and this, right, this way. There are total this much line. Now let's count the complete square. How many complete square are there? 1, 2 and 3 and 4, right? Total 4 squares are there. So what you will write? 4. Then how many half filled square? So let's see. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Total 8 half filled square is there. So what you will write? 4 plus 1 by 2 into 8. Why 1 by 2 into 8? Because we know 1 by 2 means half filled. 8 square are half filled. Therefore, we are writing 1 by 2 into 8. Plus quarter square. Let's count how many quarter squares are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter square filled means the square which are 1/4 filled, that are known as quarter square. So let's see how we are going to do the calculation. See this one. You have to write this one. We have counted that there are 4 complete square, then 8 half square, then 4 quarter square. So how we write? 4 plus into bracket 1 by 2 plus 8 plus 1 by 4 into 4. So we know that if we divide 8 by 2, it will come 4. Then if I divide 1 by 4, 1 by 4 into 4. So 4 get cancelled, 1 remains. So 4 plus 1 will be 9 square centimeter or centimeter square. So the area of the B shape is, that is square, is 9 centimeter square. So I hope this is clear. Now let's see the next shape, that is shape number C. Now let's count how many completely filled square are there and how many half filled square are there. So let's count. This is 1 and this is 2. 2 complete square. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 half filled square. So let's see how we are going to do the calculation. See this one. Area of figure C. 2 complete square plus 4 half square. We have count just right now. Right? So how we write? 2 plus 1 by 2 into 4. Why 1 by 2 into 4? Because we know the 4 square are half filled. Therefore 1 by 2 into 4. So 2, if I divide 4 by 2, it will come 2. So 2 plus 2 will be 4 centimeter square. So the area of the figure C is 4 centimeter square. Now let's see for the area of figure E. Let's count the complete square, then half square. So that this line is already there, right? This line is coming over here also, this way, right? So this is the line there. So this is this way this line is been continuing on the shape also. So let's count the complete square. How many complete square are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8, the 9, the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So there are total 18 complete square. Now you count by yourself that there are 18 complete square or not. So there are 18 complete square. Now let's count the incomplete or the half square, half filled square. So let's count. This is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, and this one is 6. So there are total 6 half filled square. So now let's see how we are going to write in your notebook. So see, figure, area of figure E, that is 18 complete square plus 6 half square. So we'll write 18 plus 1 by 2 into 6. Then if I divide 6 by 2, 3 will come, right? So 18 plus 3 will be 21 centimeter square. 21 centimeter square. So I hope this is clear. Now let's see the figure D, the shape D. So in this also we are going to calculate, we are going to count the complete square that are, we are going to count the complete square. Okay, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 complete square, and how many half filled square? 1 and 2. So there are total 2 half filled square. So let's see the calculation how we are going to write. Area of figure D, 5 complete square and 2 half square that we have just count. So 5 plus 1 by 2 into 2, 2 to get cut, so 1 will remain. So 5 plus 1 will be 6 centimeter. So the area of figure D is 6 centimeter. Now let's see the last one, that is F. In this, let's count the complete filled square. Let's count the complete square. 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? 4 complete square. Now let's count more than half filled square. They are 1, then 2, then 3 and 4. 4 is more than half filled square. Now let's count the quarter filled square. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are total 4 quarter square. So let's see the calculation that you have to write. Area of figure F, 4 complete square, 4 more than half and 4 quarter square. Then 4 plus into bracket 3 by 4 into 4 by 3 by 4 because it is more than half filled, right? So you will write 3 by 4 into 4 plus 1 by 4 into 4 by 1 by 4 because it is quarter filled, thereby 1 by 4. So if we see this, the 4 get cancel. So what remain? 3. And in second one, 4 get cancel, and what will remain? So 4 plus 3 plus 1 will be 8 centimeter square. So area of the figure F is 8 centimeter square. So I hope this thing is clear to all. So this thing you have to write in a notebook. You can pause the video and write this thing in a notebook. Now let's see ahead what is given. Try triangles. Okay, let's read what this Samina says. Let's read. Both the big triangle in this rectangle have the same area. Now Samina is saying that both the triangle that is present in this rectangle is having same area. So is it true? Is the Samina is saying is true? How we will check? Sadiq, what is he saying? Sadiq is saying that, but this look very different. They are looking very different. So how their area will be same of both the triangle? So the Sadiq says the blue triangle is half of the big rectangle. He is saying that the blue triangle is half of the big rectangle. Area of the big rectangle is 20 square centimeter. So the area of the blue triangle is blank square centimeter. Now Sadiq is saying that the area of the whole rectangle, this big rectangle, is 20 centimeter, and the area of this blue triangle is half of the rectangle. So how we are going to find the area? We will divide 20 by 2 because we know that the area of the rectangle, big rectangle, is 20 square centimeter, and the area of the blue triangle is half of the big rectangle. So we will divide 20 by 2. If I divide 20 by 2, what will the answer? Answer will be 10 centimeter square. So the area of this blue triangle is 10 centimeter square. So I hope this is clear. Now Samina says, and what about the right triangle? Now she is asking that if the area of the blue triangle is 10 centimeter square, so what will be the area of the right triangle? Let's see what will be the area of this right triangle. So let's use the formula for finding the area of the triangle. Half into base into height. So 1 by 2 into bases. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and height is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4. So 5 fours are 20. And if I divide 20 by 2, it will be 10 centimeter square. So you can see that the area of right triangle is also 10 centimeter. So both the area of blue triangle and right triangle are same. So I hope this thing is clear. Now let's see what is given ahead. What the boy is saying, in it there are two halves of two different rectangles. Now a figure is shown, a picture is shown, and by seeing that picture the boy is saying that the rectangle is containing two halves which are of different color. One is of orange color and one is of green color. Now the bird is saying, now you find the area of the two rectangles Sadik is talking about. Now first what we have to do? We have to find the area of both the rectangle. Then what is the area of the right triangle? Explain. So after finding the area of both the rectangle, you have to find the area of the triangle also. And then you have to tell that what is the area of the right triangle. Let's find the area of orange rectangle. How many squares are there? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. There are 12 rectangles. So the area of the orange rectangle will be 12 centimeter square. Now let's find for green one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total 8 squares are there. So what will be the area of the green rectangle? It will be 8 centimeter square. Now see, you can easily observe in the figure that the orange, if we carefully observe the rectangle, in the orange portion the rectangle is cutting the rectangle into half, and also in blue it is cutting the half. So the area that triangle is covering in orange portion is half of the orange area, and the area that is triangle is covering in green area is also half of the green area. So how you will find? You will write that area of the orange portion of triangle is 12 by 2. Why 12 by 2? Because we know that the area of orange shaped rectangle is 12 square centimeter. So and the triangle is covering half portion, therefore 12 by 2. If I divide 12 with 2, what will be the answer? Answer will be 6 centimeter square. Now let's check for the green one. So what was the area of green portion? It is 8 centimeter, and the triangle is covering half portion, therefore 8 by 2. And if I divide 8 by 2, what will be the answer? Answer will be 4 centimeter square. 4 centimeter square. Right? So let's add both the portion that is covering in the orange one and in the yellow, blue and in the green one. So how much area was covering in orange? It was 6, and in green it is 4. So 6 plus 4 will be 10. So total area of the triangle is 10 centimeter square. So I hope this thing is clear to you all. So for today, this much only. In our next class, we are going to see ahead what is given in a textbook. So thank you so much.